Okay, we're here in the Volvo 245. I made Alex's car, and just come to check on his 1960 Chrysler New Yorker station wagon. There's Alex.
Going to another home.
That's right. He sold the car, but it's a bit of a 1960 Chrysler fest at the moment with my 1960 Windsor. I've got a 60 Imperial and a 60 Fury. This is a New Yorker, 413. Alex has done quite a lot of work to the car, or through Ray, over the years, but yeah, he's decided to move it on, so he sold the car and just getting it prepared to be taken away, I guess, next week. But yeah, really cool design with the fins, you know, such a great wagon, fins going right through to the front doors there. You can see it's a pillarless car, like a hardtop wagon. Really cool tail lights. Yeah, just a fantastic design. Really, really cool. Imagine when this was going down the production line or in the showroom when it was new. There's Ray, the man that's been slaving over this car for years. Is it labour of love, was it, Ray?
Slaving my guts out there. Very little return.
And now, luckily though, you know, Ray won't be too sad because he's still got my 57 Ford F250 truck to work on. And the great news is, whenever you order parts from overseas, they're always exactly the right parts. You just unbolt them and bolt the new parts in. And anyone restoring a car knows that's complete and utter BS, because often you'll order parts, they'll say it's compatible, you know, 1957 F250, parts arrive, completely different, don't fit, wrong connections, whatever. It's pretty frustrating, isn't it, Ray?
Sure is, and if you watch all the TV shows, this would have been gone 3 months ago.
Yeah, that's right. It would have been happening. They would have been done in a week, wouldn't it? You know, one of those restoration shows. But
Only a week turnaround.
this is going to be like a Rolls Royce in the way it's been put together lovingly. The head's been done, and so that's still in assembly mode, but that's well on its way, which is good. There's a new radiator coming, fuel tank. Yeah, it's a massive amount of work in something like this, as I'm sure everyone knows that's ever engaged in a restoration. Fuel tank's going to go in there, but it's got this cool spotlight, which, you know, if you look in my earlier videos, you'll see there's a couple of other videos about this truck, buying the bits and pieces for it, but yeah, really cool old thing. Love the patina. That's always a great description for anyone that's got a vehicle that's not in perfect condition, but it actually does look pretty cool. I want to mechanically restore it. It has got some rust that needs to be attended to. The good thing is repair panels for these trucks are available. There's not as many parts as the earlier sort of 56 and earlier F trucks, but you can get repair panels. The cab and floor and some of those other sheet metal parts are the same as the from 57 to 60. So yeah, there is support there. So anyway, it's yeah, really cool truck. Love the truck, and still a big job. But yeah, even like I say, ordering a carburetor replacement, then you've got completely different linkages. You know, this has got this linkage here, the original's got this. So you've got to modify all these bits and pieces. Then you order parts at the same time, like the clutch, slave cylinder and the brake, and then just one arrives. So yeah, you're always waiting for parts to come in, and yeah, it's just part of, you can see there's a few boxes there, but just part of what it is. But anyway, bit of a sad day, I guess, saying goodbye to the 60 New Yorker wagon from Alex's point of view. But yeah, it's time to move it on. He's still got a 60 Chrysler convertible, a Windsor convertible. And I've actually got a 1960 Windsor ambulance, which is pretty cool. Brarian it was manufactured by, but that's still over in the US. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and
I like it.
well, you sold it now, Alex. It's too late. If you like it,
I wonder what he'd take for it now.
you're gonna buy it back off him, are you?
What did he ask?
Somehow I don't think that's going to happen.
Not going to happen.